Raising an organic vegetable garden requires lots of efforts, and a good fertilizer can make your efforts fruitful. In this video, we are going to make an organic liquid fertilizer for vegetable plants that boosts up their growth and shows us a healthy and big harvest out of them. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There are a number of benefits of applying this liquid fertilizer on your vegetable plants. It promotes a new growth on them, make them immune of many harmful diseases and pests. Plants treated with this fertilizer are much stronger to the environmental change than the other vegetable plants. It can be extremely useful if you apply it from the seedling stage. Vegetable plants with the regular application of this liquid fertilizer produces lots of flowers, as it contains an acidic nature that is loved by the flowering plants. Leaves don't turn yellow, as it contains a good amount of nitrogen and magnesium. It doesn't matter, are you growing flower-producing vegetable plants, or the rooted vegetables, it fills up your veggies with nutrients and make them bigger. You might be wondering with these, so many of benefits of regularly using this liquid fertilizer. But it is true. So let's know how to prepare this liquid. There are a few organic ingredients that are added in the description, just in case, if you don't find them. First ingredient for making this liquid fertilizer for vegetable plants is the dried banana peels. They have potassium for making your vegetables full of taste, and making them bigger in size. You have to use dried peels. It's easy, simply dry them in the sun for a few days, and crush them a little. Just like this, add about 4 to 5 dried and crushed banana peels. Next ingredient to make this liquid fertilizer is the tea waste. You have to wash the tea waste to remove sugar. It contains a good amount of nitrogen and it also makes the soil acidic. I am using 1 tablespoon of this washed tea waste. Our next ingredient is the cow dung compost, that have so many nutrients to develop a healthy immune system of a younger plant. I am taking around 5 to 8 tablespoons of cow dung compost. You can check out a detailed video on the benefits and uses of cow dung compost in plants added in the description box. The microelements, like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, etc., present in cow dung compost, keeps the yellow leaves, browning leaves, and other leaf problems away from your vegetable plants. Next ingredient to add is the compost, that is a very good source of nitrogen, phosphorus and other microelements, required by roots. Compost also makes the soil softer and roots grow very fastly with this thing. So add about 5 to 8 tablespoons for a visible change. You can also buy a nutrients-enriched, ready-to-use compost from the description box. Add a liter of water in this bottle and let it in the shade for a few days, so the ingredients can decompose. In winters, give at least 4 to 6 days for a proper decomposition, and in summers, you can use this liquid fertilizer after 3 to 4 days. Now we have to dilute this liquid, as it contains nitrogen in larger amounts, that can be harmful, if exceeded. So take a container with 5 to 7 liters of water, and add this concentrated liquid fertilizer in it. Mix it well and our organic liquid fertilizer for vegetable plants is ready to apply. The best time to apply this fertilizer is from seedling stage up to the flowering time, with a regular interval of 15 days. Use about a glass of this liquid fertilizer on every mature plant. You can increase the dose according to the pot size. For smaller seedlings, use only 100 ml. As this is an organic liquid fertilizer, therefore overuse can't harm most of the times. Let the soil to dry out a little before applying this liquid, so you will find good results. You can apply this liquid on almost all type of vegetable plants. Use more liquid for the heavy feeder plants, like tomatoes. For a working person, sometimes it's hard to prepare a fertilizer at home. Therefore you can also buy a ready-to-use fertilizer for vegetable plants, added in the description box. It also works great and easy to apply. For growing tomatoes, you can also check out these tips, that promotes a very fast growth on them. For any question, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.